Good morning, kiddos. Welcome back. Today's book is written and illustrated by Phillip Reed. It's a new author that I found through Amazon Kindle, but I really like this book and I want to share it with you. It's called Kookie Koala and the Problem. Do we sometimes have problems? Yeah. But what do you do with it? How do you handle your problems? Let's see how Kookie does it. Kookie awoke to find a problem on the floor. It was only small, so he put it out the door. Yet, the very next day, it had got bigger. What Kookie was to do, he could not figure. He thought, if I ignore it, then it might go away. But it was larger still the following day. He then covered it up, so it was out of sight. But it didn't go away. It just blocked out the light. Is this yours? Kookie asked his friends with a moan. They said, no, sorry, we have problems of our own. Well, said Kookie, then I will get rid of it. But as hard as he pushed, it wouldn't move a bit. You see, he had taken too long to take charge, and now the problem had grown too large. Kookie, now angry at the problem, was shouting, though this didn't help, and he was left pouting. He left it too long, which now made him sad. That's when he had an idea. I'll ask Granddad. Granddad was smart. Granddad was clever. A problem he could not solve? No, not never. Granddad sat in his favorite rocking chair and thought about the problem with great care. I need to see it before I can help you. Bring it to me so I get a better view. I can't even lift it, Kookie was sad to admit. Granddad smiled softly. I only need a little bit. First, look at the problem closely. Find a crack and break a piece off for me. So to find a crack, Kookie really tried. First of all, he looked on the inside, then the outside, then the upside, then the downside, then the top side, underside, right side, and left side. Until finally, the crack he spied. He was pleased that he had finally found the crack, and so he broke a piece off and ran all the way back. But Granddad shook his head at what Kookie had brought. He said, no, that's no good. That's not what I had thought. Bring me another. That's not the piece I meant. So, with a murmur and a sigh, again off Kookie went. Kookie got another piece. It didn't take long, but Granddad complained that the shape was all wrong. Fortunately, each piece was small and light. As Granddad said, the next one didn't smell right. So again and again, Cookie brought more, still Granddad just dropped them on the floor. Suddenly, where was Cookie? Granddad did not know. Over to Cookie's house, he thought he'd better go. Granddad wondered what was going on. Was there a problem? What was taking so long? Cookie pointed to the space outside his door. There's none left. I can't bring you any more. He did not know where the problem had all gone, so Granddad explained what was going on. That's because you broke it into small pieces each time you did. The problem decreased. You managed to deal with each piece really fast, and so it didn't take long to get to the last. Now that all the work is done, Cookie can go and have some fun. And as we have come to the end of our rhyme, we will leave Cookie enjoying his time. What of Granddad? He had a relaxing bath and used the broken pieces to mend his path. The end. Ta-da! So in the back over here, Phillip Reed wrote a little message. It says, learn a valuable life lesson with Kookie Koala in this humorous rhyming story about how to deal with problems instead of ignoring it or hiding them. All right. Well, I hope you like this book. It's Kookie Koala and the Problem. Author and the illustrator is Phillip Reed. I'll see you next time. Bye, kiddos.